Wolves have big families. They live in packs. A wolf pack usually consists of the parents and their pups, along with sometimes other relatives. Wolves communicate with howls. Howls can help them find their pack members. Each wolf's howl is unique. Wolves are exceptional runners. They can run up to 35 miles per hour for short distances to catch their prey. Wolves have excellent hearing. They have super sensitive ears and can hear sounds from miles away. This helps them find prey and communicate with pack members. Wolves have a strong sense of smell. It is about 100 times better than a human's. This helps them track animals and navigate their territory. Wolves are excellent swimmers. They can swim several miles to find food or cross rivers. Wolves are very smart. They use teamwork to hunt. They plan their moves and work together to catch their prey. Each wolf has unique markings. Just like human fingerprints, each wolf has unique fur patterns and markings that help identify them. Wolves eat a variety of foods. While they mostly eat meat, wolves can also eat fruits, vegetables, and even insects. Wolves are playful animals. They love to play, especially when they're young. They chase each other, play fight, and have fun just like puppies.